to your car?
My dear, flat tire. I want to go to the vulcanizer.
Let me help you take it to my house.
You do it for us?
Why not? I will. Oh.
What is this?
Pepper soup.
Pepper again?
Pepper soup, sir.
Pepper soup?
Yes.
So because I told you I wanted pepper soup, is that why you went to put one basket of pepper?
No, you said you wanted enough onions and pepper, so that's why I...
Is that why? Is that the reason why you should bring one basket of pepper for me to eat? Eh? Did your mother teach you how to cook?
I don't really cook. I have a lot of elder sisters at home, so I'm not taught how to cook.
God, before I close my eyes, take this and get away from me, idiot. Take! Idiot. Come and see I'm for you. I thought Atako told me this girl knows how to cook. Eh? Don't want to buy my own. Pia! Check up what could idiot. God punish you.
Okay, baby, you can take your friends now to the dining. Okay, that's a lot of things on the dining. Just take care of yourself. And when you're done, you come upstairs and meet me, okay? I'll be upstairs waiting for you.
See you later,
Alright.
Yeah, let's go and eat first. Let's go to the dining, my brother. I can't wait to eat what you cook in this house. Let's go and eat, my brother.
So you mean this thing I saw inside is your wife? This white woman. Tell me, how did you convince her? How did it happen? Look at the way she was calling you. Baby, mommy, baby.
She said, we'll never change. She said, that woman is your wife.
Do you know, since the day this woman came into my life, everything has changed. In fact, I'm beginning to be like you. Eh? When will I see somebody that will respect you? She gave you money, she respects you. Come on, I feel lucky. You are very, very lucky. In fact, you know, it's
time. Don't worry, your time is coming. Just wise up. Your time is coming, man.
I mean, how did you do it? How did you get so expensive?
How are we talking about it? Talk about that.
Anyway, how do we go? I'm going to use the shopping night. I give her up.
Don't worry. We'll see. Meanwhile, my brother is... Be fine.
I am the elder one of this community. The only living child of my late parents. I am the only of our time. I cannot do it. I cannot. For what? Who is it?
Dorothy, I am not against what you or your father was. What I am saying is that every woman must be submissive to a man. No matter how rich you are, even if you are richer than that man, you must be under a man. The same Bible says, in Genesis chapter 2, verse 24, that a man must leave his parents and move to his wife. And that's what I'm trying to say. You can see, when the time comes, that man must leave his home and come and do what? And be with me. How do you see it? Interpreting the whole...
No, you are the one who is interpreting the Bible now. What are you talking?
I hope you know what you are doing, though.
I know what I am doing.
I'm only telling you as a friend.
I know what I am doing.
That's why I did not tell you.
Don't tell me. I'm waiting for that man. That D-Day, baby girl, he will say,
Auntie, how are you?
What did you just call me? Lady Auntie. Is something wrong with your tongue? Where do you live in this village?
Yes. Actually, I should be asking you that. Are you from this village? Because I've not seen you.
Not really. But I live around. I actually stay with my mom's elder sister. She works with the local government.
Okay. Actually, I saw you making calls. And I said I should come and it seems you have connect so that you will connect me up.
Actually, you know, as a beautiful lady, I'm not just being beautiful, I'm equally sexy. And that is why men run around me like birds.
Okay, where is your car parked now? Why?
What kind of question is that? Are you trying to insult me or what?
At the place?
Dash monkey banana. Anyway, wait. Wait now.
Okay.
Are you with anyone? So look for a very cool place to chill out.
The fair. Bad market. Eh? Me even want to see whether something will come out from you. They ask me for money. Eh? Oh, hustle now, so that I will be like Amechi and my friend. Eh? Look at the way they are. Bad market. Because I'm like it.
Bad market. Your show. You're looking for someone you will eat. Not someone like me if I go one chance.
Okay, it's actually marriage we are asking for. Okay, no problem, but you know that marriage is not something one should rush into. I need to take my time, think about it, pray about it, seek advice. Then when I'm okay, I will let you know. No, I don't want to marry an ugly man. My husband must be very handsome. I don't even want to marry an old man either. Old men are meant for old women. I'm a young looking girl, so I should look for somebody who is as young as I am. And don't forget that if I don't see you from now to 2 months, I will change my mind. Okay, there's no problem. Alright, see you come. Hello? Dorothy, why are you quiet now? Hello?
I am fine.
You are not fine. You and I know that you are not happy. You see, ever since I got this my job, everybody is now after me. I want to marry you, I want to marry you. You know, it's as if I'm the most beautiful girl in this village, in this town.
Hey.
What do you think? You see, I want you to advise me. All these men that are coming for marriage, I don't even know who to choose. I'm confused.
Marry all of them. Take all of them in and allow me. Please.
Dorothy, you are the only friend I have, and you need to advise me well now. Just tell me, what do you think I should go for? Be serious. What do you think now? No, now. What do you think?
What is this? Can't you see I am thinking? Okay. Allow me to think, please. Okay,
Okay. It's like you're not in the mood. Let me just leave it for now.
Thunder fire you there. Thunder fire you there, idiot. You are the only girl in this village. This one that called me is actually from US. This one London, this one Dubai. Don't worry, idiot.
Hello, Judas. Hey, wait, Judas. Please just hold it there. Don't think you can betray me the way you betrayed Jesus in the Bible. If you know you are ready for marriage, go and look for those that are ready for marriage, and not me. Are you deaf? I said I am not interested in your stupid marriage. Listen, and besides, what will I be doing in a man's house at this age? Please get out of my phone and never you call this number again.
Who was that?
One stupid thing that calls himself Judas. This idiot wouldn't let me rest. Is it my fault that I'm this beautiful?
Hello? Who told you you're beautiful? Who told you? You that looks like somebody from the hotel.
Auntie Dodo. Check me out now. Am I not pretty? Auntie, do you know how many men that stop me on the road on a daily basis asking for my hand in marriage?
You?
See, Auntie, if I'm to be a cake, I'm going to be a hot cake.
Hey, hot cake. Not only hot cake. You will still be hot akara. Look at who said she's beautiful. Something that looks like who comes out of hotel.
And it's not my fault.
Come on, get out of here! Get out of here!
That no man has come to marry you.
In my own house? Oh, in my own house? Okay, they've planned for me. No wonder. This one Dubai, this one London, this one Judas. Okay, no problem.
Oh, what kind of nonsense is this, Obako? Why are you disturbing our peace in this office?
Obako, this is an office, not a local place.
Mosquito. Huh? Who is that? Who is talking? Did the mosquito pass? Oh, Awugo! So one of us are talking. You talk. I don't blame you. It's local government people that I blame. That put witchcraft to be working under me. They forgot that light and darkness does not relate. Now who is working under you?
Who is even light? Who is even darkness?
I'm telling you, it's like foolishing myself because we are not of the same category.
Imagine the insult. What is this thing calling herself?
Give that thing. I know your problems, jealousy. Don't worry. Very soon, Senate will sit. Yes. Local government, House of Assembly will start. For adventure, local government will sit there. And I, the local government, I will be promoted to another level. General staff leadership.
See monkey, see coat. Somebody that cannot even pronounce common A, not to talk of Obo. You want to be our leader?
Hey! Capital vibes!
Capital vibes. Capital vibes. What's their song? Capital vibes song is Abase, featuring Techno, if you don't know.
According to the arrangements I have with your uncle and mother, please you select one. Number 1. Number 2.
Come this side. Come on.
Number 3.
Idiot. You know they talk.
You have scratch on your head. Or you need to talk. Which one are you? You are confused. What? Follow others. See what? Seven doesn't see problem.
Number 4.
Don't be shy. Why are you shy? Are you sure you love me?
Yes, I do.
Okay, hold me, touch me. Good. Good. I need something new in my life. Something marvelous in my life. Something new in my life. I need something new in my life.
This is the best food I've ever eaten so far. My mother cannot even cook like this. Serious. You're a good cook.
I'm happy you like it.
Thank you very
I'm
much.
happy. And this is what I'll be doing for you. I'll cook any good food you need. Just name the food to be right here on the table for you.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you.
No. What about your husband and children? Or do you stay here alone?
I am not yet married. Yes, I'm the only child of my parents. And they are late. They died a long time ago. They left everything, the house, the car, land. They left a lot of things for me. My father was very wealthy when he was alive. So I have a lot of things. And any man that will marry me will inherit all this. Any man that will marry me must inherit everything they left for me. Even land too. My father had like 5 plots of land near that tower. Before he died, I have a lot of things. Any man that will marry me, oh my God, the man will enjoy me. Because he's got everything.
Oh, mewoya, Jehovah Jireh, mewoya, oh, nyene mewoya, no mereya namweya. Hey, Chineke meworomia. Chineke meworomia. Nzemo, nzemia, nzemia. Oga dereke namma. God will surely bless you for making me proud. God bless you, my son. God bless you. So finally, me, Eyuche, will be a mother-in-law. Hey, your uncle must hear this. Amadi must hear this.
You need to see my wife.
People are nasty. Achọrọ m ịfụ maka na ama m na ịma ihe dị mma. Nwa m. You know what? There's something I have been saving for a day like this. I just want to tell the good Chelolo?
Be serious.
Anna Nadia.
Mama, on your surprise. You got some surprise.
Hey,
My mother and my uncle said I should bring you to my house to come and see them.
But you know I work. I don't have time. I'm a very busy person. It's better they come to see me, because me, I won't have the time. It's better they come to see me.
That will be very, very difficult too. Yes, because my uncle will not agree to that.
Just a minute. Hello? You need money. No. I don't want that guy on that side. Please. I don't want him on that side. Rather, I'll bring my husband to be to come and inspect that side. Please. Yes. Yes. Okay. How much did you say you need? Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. I'll pay in 10 million today. Yes, 10 million. Today I'll pay in 10 million. It's alright. We'll talk later, please. I'm with somebody. Bye.
You are really doing well, though. You mean you are building another house somewhere?
Yes, that's a building I'm trying to erect the other side of the village.
That means there's no need there's no need taking you to my people. Originally they are supposed to come and see you.
There you are.
Yes. As you know, you must come.
It's better because I don't have time.
Dora. At last. I'm happy for you.
Yes, so you can say that again. You know, she has always been a rocky woman. As for me, I can't wait to do a shit. You marry a family.
That's what I'm expecting you guys to do for me. At least you and few other friends. That very day will be. You know what?
Yeah.
You need to see my guy. The guy is so cute. So handsome. When you see him, you will trip for him. And you know the climax. His people will be coming to see me tomorrow.
Dorothy, coming to see you?
Yes.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Dorothy, we know that every other woman, the man will be the one to take you to his parents. So why is your own different?
Hello. I've always said this and I'll continue to say it. Any man that wants to marry me must come to me. I cannot leave my parents' house to go out there. Are you getting me? The man must come, be with me, respect me, honor me under my watch so that he will always adore me. You know what I mean?
What kind of man is that? Hey! Nah. woman. I've never seen such a man before.
Whatever you like, call it. It doesn't matter.
Anyway, at least we are happy for you. And I can't wait for this one.
At least I was happy for you when you got your job. Wasn't I? I can't believe all India Musa we form Origu can go say. Meanwhile, do you know what I call him? Baby.
Hey.
And he will say, honey. I think I'll call him. Honey pie. He will say, pie. I'm just happy. He makes me happy. That's just the thing.
Listen. Hi! Yeah, you said the girl in question owns this house, yes, and lives here alone.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, because boy,
let me.
Baby! Honey, come, my mother is here.
Honey pie, you back?
Yeah. Welcome.
Oh.
Hi.
Manka.
Meet my mother.
Manka, mommy, I'm out of the Nyawa Makataya Nachia. Why be one? Your daughter, the one we have come for.
She is the woman, the lady, sorry, the girl I told you about. This is her.
Upon about the woman, lady, baby in question, I don't know. Your uncle will hear this, oh no.
Sorry, just a minute. Come in. I have good food, so come in. I want to give you food to eat first.
But one lady will hear. Let me go and tell them if I'm full.
Mama, what is it? What is the problem?
Amadi. Hey!
Everything is fine. Maybe she's carried away with your concoction and your beauty. Yes.
Oh my God. Sorry. I made a wonderful soup for you. When I know what you love so much.
Oh, really?
So let's go.
Igbo girl. I want my woman.
Come on, let's go. Go in.
Do you know what you're saying? Huh?
That girl is the best wife for me. She promised to love me, respect me. She even promised to turn my life around for good.
Shut up. Ago. Into a exam. Huh? But shut up. Just shut up. Nothing good can come from that. Nothing. She's just a desperate old woman who wants a young boy that will be servicing. Then Ababu, can you see how big, how heavy that waist is? Who would that more cheer will be scared to even climb? Huh? Oh, he go one the guy that she. Huh? She's just desperate. Otherwise, how can you explain why an old woman, a woman as old as your mother, will fall in love with a young boy? Wow, she again. That's madness. That is madness.
See, uncle, to God who made me and you, that girl is not old. They just have this fat nature in their family. She said that if I see her grandmother, I will confirm that what she's saying.
My family, shut up. Shut up. Nze, Moranya Kazu. And don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. She can even tell you she's a virgin. Yes, just to have you. Nze, you are the only surviving child of my late brother. And you cannot end up with such an old woman. No. A woman old enough, that a woman that cannot even bear a child. No, you cannot. So just look for one little girl, a young girl. Eh?
I don't know what you are talking about. For me, I must marry that girl. I must marry her. She's the best wife for me. You people should start getting ready. I must marry her.
Get away from me. Get out, idiot.
I must marry her. I must marry her.
You must marry the good idiot. I know her.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
So, my name is Mr. Oxford, and I've been sent here by the state government to check on this local government and you guys.
You are welcome, Mr. Oxford, to our local government.
Please don't be welcome.
Who's the secretary?
I'm the princess, her secretary.
So you're the secretary?
Yes, sir.
In addition to that, if you do well, you'll be well rewarded. On the other hand, if you don't do very well, you'll be shown the door. Because the local government can't afford to keep people that are not efficient and not good at their jobs. But with that, I'll go to my office now.
Thank you, Mr. Oxford.
English.
Come, Mark. I am sure he was sent because of you. If you don't take time, they will lay you off.
It's you, they will lay us.
Okay.
Let us bring layer, they will lay you off.
Okay.
For my good.
Auntie, wow. This one you're dancing and singing this hot afternoon. So what is the secret? Auntie. Auntie.
I've once you times without numbers. Stop calling me auntie. Stop calling me auntie. You will not hear. But at the venture now, people that like me and they want to marry me. Well, they'll be thinking I am old. Me. Local government, they will be thinking
when I am old, they will not know that me Umak, I am young in heart.
Sorry, yeah? My local government, small girl, sweet 16. What is happening?
My sister, it's like God wants to change my names.
To Mrs.
Government British. They send white mass to our local government where I work at Obiapo. The white mass, he came to our office. He was looking at me, and I said, "Here is the secretary. Get a price for me." Ask him to tell you. So when you see love, you will not know. When they finished, the man come and he was looking at me like this. And after the German, I can't tell me how love, yeah, marriage.
I love the government. It was not called for celebration. It's not this one should be dancing, jumping, and all that. You don't need to.
Please and pleases. In your life, don't ever stop me under hot sun for cross question.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.